Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software and on different topics related to civil engineering field. So, we have learned a lot in SketchUp, but today we are going to learn something new. So, a few days back in my live session, someone has asked how to do the walkthrough in SketchUp, and today we are going to learn about that. So this is very simple. All you have to do is to just create a few scenes, and then you will have to go to animation and then play those scenes. So let's see how we can do that. So this is the model on which we were working in our last video, and you can see, first of all, I will just rotate the model and then go to view. Over here you can find the option of animation and click on add scenes. Now you have to just rotate your model a little bit, and then you can go again to view, animation, add scenes, and you will get a new scene over here. Then you can rotate it a little bit more, and simply you have to follow the same sequence. You can do the same thing from the tray box also. So let's close this one. Let's close the style, tags, and over here you will find the options of adding the scenes. So this is a simpler process of adding the scenes. So I will just click on add scene, and then I will rotate it a little bit. Then I will add another one. Now let's try to enter this building. Now we will simply enter the building and add the scene. From here you can use the option of walkthrough, and to do so you will have to simply go to camera and choose the option of walk. Now you can also set the height of the eye. So I will keep it 6 feet. Now I will start walking inside the building. I can just rotate it and see what are the things that are there in the building. Then I can add another scene and enter the next room. You can visualize the whole thing over here, and then from here you can just go out of the gate. So that was all about adding the scenes. Now let's learn one more thing over here. So in the camera you have learned how to use the walk tool. Now you can also use the look around. So what is the difference in this one? If you will use the look around, then it will simply keep you static at a point and you can watch whatever is surrounded by you. So in the camera option, you can see we have three things: position camera, walk, and look around, and we are going to learn about these things in the next video. But today we will stick to the animation portion and we will see how the scenes acts. So I will just go to the animation and click on play. Now the animation has started, and you can see it is smoothly rotating your model, and you can simply watch it. So now it will keep repeating itself, but you can also stop it and export this. And for that you will have to simply go to file, go to export, and from there you can click on animation. Then you will have to just set the location where you want to save this file and click on export, and it will be exported in MP4 format. So exporting will take some time. By the time, if you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find a link in the description. All you have to do is to register on that, and I will personally give you a call. So now you can see our video has been exported. Now let's see the video. So this was our exported video. We will just play it and we will see how it was recorded. So you can see the movement in the animated video is very smooth and you can use it to impress your clients. So you can just go through the complete video. So guys, that was all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.